Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Ramp corporate card, and kind of wanted to explain a little bit about 60 and 90-day terms they actually offer. It's fairly new. I've made videos in the past about the Ramp corporate card, but it was just about the actual card and not so much about the extended terms. They have 30, 60, and 90-day extended terms. So that can kind of help you with corporate expenses and definitely help you allocate funds, use other people's money to grow your business. I mean, that's definitely how the rich get richer, by using other people's money. At least that's how it has worked out for me and many others. You always hear OPM. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I'm going to cover a little bit about the card itself, because you need to get the card before you can get the working capital. Okay. So you need to get approved for the card before you can get the extended terms and working capital. This card is not for everybody. You need to have at least 50,000 in your business checking account. It can be, I think, through a few different accounts, but you need to show that you have at least $50,000 in your business checking account at the time of applying. Like I said, it's not for everybody, but the limits are pretty decent limits. It is a no personal guarantee, no founder's guarantee whatsoever. The link will be in the description below. Use that link and actually go to the back end to my rep over at Ramp. So your application is going to get processed quicker than if you just go to the main website. Okay. All right. So just a little overview. It's like an expense management platform with a credit line. It is like, say, a corporate card, so it doesn't need to be paid back every 30 days. However, you can get extended terms 60 and 90 days, and there's just little minimal fees for that. But if you pay back with the 30 days, then there is no fees at all. Okay. They get paid by the swipes that you're using. Like when you charge, that's how they get paid. Just a little bit about it. It's a global corporate card, and you have complete spend control. Comes with expense management. I'm not going to talk too much about expense management because I've talked so much about that with so many of the other ones out there in the past. They have accounts payable as well, and you can do like POs with it, accounting automation. It actually connects to with a lot of different platforms. Like it says right here, you can control your spend on one platform. You can configure different cards for different employees and spending limits, to say per day or per week, what type of charges they can charge, all that. It integrates with Google, Slack, ADP, Amazon, Sage, and there's so many other ones that it integrates with. You can attach your invoices. It will actually pay it for you too if you have, say, invoices. That's how you can get the extended terms as well. So you can check out all this. The link will be in the description below. It doesn't cost anything at all to apply. It's not going to be a hard credit pull at all. They base everything basically on the business checking account, what's in there, what's in your business checking account. So don't apply unless you have at least 50,000. Ideally, they like to see like 75,000, because keep in mind, whatever is in your business checking account at the time of applying, say it's 55 right now, in a couple of days, you're going to have, say, a deposit or something, and you're going to have like, say, 80,000. So I would wait, because your credit limit's going to be higher. That's how they base the credit limit, based on what's in your business checking account. That's how they're going to give it to you. So let's jump over the working capital, how that works. Once you're already approved for the corporate card, you're going to get the limit right away. You can actually get started with the working capital. All right. And then you select how to pay back. So say you have a rent invoice, say your business rent, or say a car payment, a truck payment, anything like that expense. It could be literally for anything. And then you can either have them pay it, or like it says here, you can see the slider. You can select, wait for it to show up. See how it says flex payment? So you're gonna get that flex payment, and it's gonna give you the option 60 or 90 days. You can see right here, 1% fee for 30 days. 60 days is a 2% fee. 90 days, it's a 3% fee. This is, it's just an example, but that's pretty much what it is. Keep in mind, 30 days, it's actually free as long as you're using the card. Okay. But if you have them do the bill payment, that's where it's going to be. It's a flex account. That's when you're going to have to pay the fee. So most would do like 60 or 90 days, and that helps free up some capital for you, otherwise that you would have to use. So it's like set up in minutes, no forms and no waiting. Ramp Flex is financing when you need it, pay how you want. So you can pay your vendors in a check, ACH, international wire, or, whatever it may be. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to kind of point that out because I didn't really cover that on the last rant video. A lot of you guys have asked about Rant Flex. This will be the link in the description. So you just put in your email and then it will start with a simple application. The application only takes like 5 minutes. Go ahead and apply. Like I said, not a personal guarantee. So it has nothing to do with, say, your personal credit. They may verify with your business credit, but the main thing they're looking at is when you connect to your business bank account. All right. I believe you can connect multiple accounts. So if you have funds in different accounts, you can connect all those. And then at that time, that's when you submit your application. And sometimes you can get a instant approval, but usually it takes like 24 hours. So again, this isn't for everybody, but you get 1.5% cash back. And I think if you use my link too, I believe you're going to get $500 statement when you first started using the card. So when I say like it's like net 30, it could be a little bit longer than that because it depends on your statement period. It could be like 35 days, 40 days. It just depends on your statement date. All right. And like I said, it comes with a lot of perks in the back end too. I use them quite a bit, like different services and software that cost $1,000, $1,500. But if you use in the back end, they have like coupon codes and stuff that are exclusive for only ramp clients. Take advantage of those too. All right. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. Have any questions? Put it in the comment section. You can go to the website. The link will be in the description. Use that and do your research. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section as well. All that being said, you guys take care. Stay tuned. I'm going to be dropping other videos that's for all sorts of businesses, new, existing, established, whatever. Also put in the comment section what videos you want me to cover. So give the video a thumbs up. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.